Best deals.
1. Tope. Unique 2-in-1 elliptical rim, broad to safely grip, pour and carry hot food, and narrow for easy pour and easy grip with tongs. Cook and serve. 1 dish to cook, serve, store and clean. Food stays hot longer. Stackable, space saver design, fit into each other, frees up space in modern kitchens. Detachable snug fit silicone grips, stay cool. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Rice drainer. It helps in reducing having risk elements of direct filtering. This invention is a device which can be used for fixing a lid on the mouth of the cooking pan. Rice drainer helps by putting rice and water directly in a filter pan and getting filtered. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cooker. Discover the extraordinary release properties of this pressure cooker's ceramic non-stick surface. Achieve exceptional cooking results with minimal oil, ensuring that your dishes are both delectable and health conscious. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cast iron kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Perfect for deep frying, sautéing, simmering, and more. Suitable for traditional Indian dishes and modern recipes, bringing authentic flavor and versatility to your kitchen. Designed for even heating, ensures consistent cooking results. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kadai. Ideal for samosas, vegetables, for making sweets and much more deep frying foods. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tumbler. Wide mouth design allows quick filling and also quick cleaning to maintain hygiene. It is food grade stainless steel and very light in weight to carry. This tumbler set is safe, sturdy and efficient at storing your beverages for longer periods of time, as it is completely BPA free. It is easy and perfect for carrying liquids like mineral water, juice, coconut water. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Pan. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving 85% of nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use and urban lifestyle. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Container. Ideal for storing a wide range of items, from rotis and chapatis to snacks, cakes, and more. This versatile box is both stackable and multi-purpose. Engineered from superior stainless steel. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coffee maker. The double-layer stainless steel design helps keep coffee warm or keeps your coffee hot for up to 60 minutes longer. The cool touch handle allows safe and comfortable pouring. Equipped with a 4-part, 3-layer filtration system that helps reduce fine coffee grounds, delivering a clean and balanced cup with rich flavor. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Puttu Kudam maker. The flat bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, cooking the puttu evenly, and preventing overcooking or uneven texture, so you get perfectly steamed puttu every time. Designed with stay cool handles and knobs, this puttu maker provides safe and comfortable handling, even when the pot is hot, preventing burns or discomfort during use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Container. The set includes 8 individual compartments, making it easy to organize spices, herbs, and other kitchen essentials. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Grease can. Comes with a curved comfortable handle, well suited to your hand and less prone to getting hot. Perfect for bacon grease and oil storage. Used to strain and clean bacon grease for future cooking or prevent clogged pipes by cooling grease in the bin before scooping out for easy disposal. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Soap dish. Made up of stainless steel with multi-layers of nickel chrome plated, which protects against rust, and with the strong argon welding that enhance the product life. Just peel and stick. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Electric kettle. Comes with a steamer, which can be used to steam vegetables, dumplings, etc. The design of cooking and steaming at the same time can improve your cooking efficiency and meet your daily needs in a limited space. You can choose the desired power freely. At low power, you can make pasta, ramen, pancakes etc. When you cook steak, soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power. Food grade double layered body with non-stick coated inner pot and plastic outer body. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Blender. Effortlessly blend, chop, grind or puree for making smoothies, juices, milkshakes, cold coffee, masala and chutney. Easy to operate, clean, detachable and easily washable parts. This complete kitchen machine offers all-in-one solution and performs 4 functions, those of a mixer, grinder, juicer and chopper. Blender for fresh and healthy vegetables or fruit juices in seconds and grinder for dry spices and chutney. Also suitable for dry grinding, chutneys and dips. Make smoothies and juices within seconds. Ensures perfect blend every time, giving rich and consistent texture. Best blender for kitchen. New design stainless steel blades for quick blending. Improved jar design to blend ingredients consistently. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Multi-kettle. The non-stick coating lets you cook like a real pan. Fry eggs with minimal oil. Sauté vegetables for upma. Scramble breakfast without butter sticking everywhere. Make golden poha without it cementing to the bottom. Cook Maggi without burnt noodles glued on. Even reheat rice or dal without creating stuck-on disasters. The 1000 ml non-stick interior with 600 W power gives your restaurant-quality cooking anywhere, hotel rooms, train compartments, office pantries, or your own AC bedroom. Perfect for traveling families who need real cooked meals, not just boiled water. Prepare your morning chai before the rush begins, or heat soup in cold places. 1000 ml capacity feeds 2 to 3 people easily. Powerful 600 W heating means no waiting, hot, hygienic, home-style meals ready faster than ordering takeout. Finally, food on your schedule during vacations, visits to relatives, office lunch breaks, or hostel life. The last thing you need is a bulky appliance taking precious luggage space. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tawa. Its new and improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. All in all, smart cookware. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Jar. Made of high-quality borosilicate glass, which is more heat-resistant, ideal size for storing spices, herbs, jams and more. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Chopper. Ideal for families and meal prep. Push-activated mechanism with sharp stainless steel blades for efficient chopping and slicing of vegetables. Disassembles in seconds, rinse and reuse. Dishwasher-safe components allow for hassle-free maintenance and quick cleanup. Made from BPA-free, eco-friendly plastic. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dosa Tawa. Is designed with just the right curvature and thickness to give you the best cooking results when making dosa. The flange, which firmly attaches the handle with strong stainless steel rivets, is uniquely designed to not interfere with the cooking surface and to hence maximize the cooking area, allowing you to make a very large dosa, or several uttapam or cutlets at one time. Suitable for use on domestic gas, electric, ceramic and halogen stoves. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Container set. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel for durability and long-lasting shine. Features 4-side clip lock with food-grade silicone seal to keep food fresh. BPA-free, odorless, dishwasher-safe for worry-free everyday use. Compact size makes it easy to carry for school, office, or picnics. Set of 4 stainless steel containers with lid, designed for versatile use such as kitchen storage, tiffin, or dabba. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Sauté pan. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Lunch box. With stainless steel is extremely usable and handy presentation from the House of Sumit. Clip tiffin box allows you to easily pack a nutritious lunch meal for you and your family. This clip tiffin box is made from good quality food grade stainless steel, which makes it durable and strong. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Salt and pepper shaker. Equipped with precisely engineered pour holes, allows for a consistent sprinkle. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Containers. The most versatile, earth-friendly, sustainable storage container with a dual surface. This extremely lightweight and impact-resistant container. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Momus mold. Cap for remove and adjustable size big and small these first-time facility. No any metal screw or hinge used which ensures rust-free and oxide-free mold. The material of the mold is lightweight, washable, non-staining and non-reactive with food which provides you environment-friendly, healthy and hygienic mold. The maker is made of high-quality environmentally friendly plastic, healthy and hygienic, creative in shape, beautiful and practical, well-made, and easy to operate. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Casserole. Uniform heating due to impact bonded bottom. Professionally manufactured using quality in heavy gauge stainless. Energy efficient tri-ply induction compatible impact bonded bottom. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Lunch box. Comes with a 130 ml chutney dabba and a spoon and fork set, so you can pack dips, sauces, and condiments separately while enjoying the convenience of ready-to-use cutlery. Each container is designed with airtight, spill-proof lids. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Bucket mop. This product is crafted with all steel material that keeps it durable and this mop uses microfiber technology that is durable and superior water absorbency that keeps your home clean and neat. This mop can be used on wet and dry floor, with a separate dry spinning bucket that helps in keeping it dry for superior cleaning. Mop comes with a heavy-duty stainless steel wringer for long-lasting use, rust resistance, and hassle-free floor cleaning. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Countertop organizer. Like storing fruits and vegetables, keeping books, or any other cosmetic items. Perfect for kitchens or as bathroom trolley on wheels. Can store fruits, vegetables and other kitchen accessories like spice jars, container. Look for spaces at least 8 inches wide for a comfortable fit. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Casserole set. Elegant caviar finish stainless steel casserole set designed for both cooking and serving food. Ideal for daily meals, family dinners, and kitchen storage. Made from premium food grade stainless steel with a stylish blue caviar finish that is durable, rust resistant, and long lasting. Strong induction bottom base ensures even heat distribution and works efficiently on gas stove and induction cooktops. Perfect for cooking, storing, and serving food such as curries, vegetables, soups. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Stand mixer. 1000W motor with 100% copper winding which multifunctional feature to cater to your all kitchen need. 8-speed level with stylish LED indicator with pulse function makes your stand mixer a robust companion for all beating, whisking and doughing needs of your kitchen. The product comes splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. The stand mixer comes with overheating protection along with safety lock to avoid working hazards. The stand mixer comes with overheating protection along with safety lock to avoid working hazards. Built to take it all on with the durable and built to last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. This model of stand mixer comes with mixing bowl of 5.3L stainless steel bowl to ensure you are never short of space even for large requirements. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. The appliance comes with 3 attachments: beater, dough hooks and whisker. The possibilities are endless with given attachments. Just plug in and jam out. This feature-packed stand mixer is all you need in your kitchen. It can be used as stand mixer for baking, cake mixer and flour kneading machine. Built to take it all on with the durable and built-to-last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. Comes with a powerful 100% copper winding 1200W motor and multi-function capabilities to serve all your kitchen needs in a mixing bowl of 5.3L stainless steel bowl to ensure you are never short of space even for large requirements, with dust-proof splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, flour kneading or whisking. Powerful 8-speed level with pulse function makes your stand mixer and robust companion for all beating, whisking and doughing needs of your kitchen. This feature-packed stand mixer is all you need in your kitchen. It can be used as a stand mixer for baking, a cake mixer and a flour kneading machine. The appliance has a digital panel and preset option for hook, beater and whisker for ease of operation. The digital display is modern and effective at the same time. Built to take it all on with the durable and built-to-last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. This model of stand mixer comes with mixing bowl of 5.3L stainless steel bowl to ensure you are never short of space even for large requirements. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. Ample capacity for preparing dough, batter, and mixes for the whole family. Built with SS304 food-grade material for durability and hygiene. Offers precise speed adjustment for all kinds of recipes, from slow kneading of dough to fast whipping of cream. Dust-proof splash guard, prevents spills and mess while mixing, keeping your kitchen clean. Product link is given in the 30-second link.